Hi, my name is Ellie, and I'm a peer advisor at CXT. Using Handshake's job search tool, you can search across 400,000 companies, from Fortune 500s to startups, to find a position that is right for you and your interests and qualifications. The first step in tailoring the job search tool is to fill out your profile. By doing so, you are 5 times more likely to get a message from a recruiter. Additionally, Handshake uses your preferences to send you relevant job, internship, and event recommendations. After your profile has been updated to reflect you, then the filters in the job search tool come in handy to help narrow your search. Under this area, you can filter your results by the type of jobs you're interested in, such as internships, part-time, or full-time positions. Additionally, here is a good place to decide whether it is important to you to see paid roles only. Here's the section that will most come in handy once you have completed your profile. By expanding this section, you can narrow your job search by preferred major, year in school, or GPA. International students, here's a section for you. There are plenty of employers who are happy to sponsor work visas. Just make sure you mark this box accordingly. These next 2 sections are, perhaps, the most essential for narrowing the type of jobs available to something you'll be interested in: industry and job function. This section is useful if you know what general sector you'd like to work in, such as technology, but are more unsure exactly what you'd like to do. The industries are sectioned into general areas, such as financial services, marketing, or tech. And these general areas are further broken down into more specific sectors. In financial services, things such as investment banking, insurance, portfolio management, etc. On the other end of the spectrum, job function is the best filter to use if you know what you want to do, but are open to what industry you'd like to do it in. For example, some of the job functions they have to filter by are administration, consulting, and design. These types of positions could appear across many industries, so it's better to narrow by job function than industry. Here you can narrow by specific employer if you know some companies that you're interested in. Under this final filter, you can take full advantage of the Bowdoin network. Just type in Bowdoin Preferred and your search will be narrowed down to companies interested in specifically Bowdoin students. Now that you have put in place all of your desired filters, press See Jobs and you're off. Some final tips. Up above the jobs listed on the left, you will see a button Relevance. Here, you can change the order of the jobs that Handshake shows you from relevance to date posted or expiration date. Additionally, if you'd like to narrow your job search by location, be sure to use the location search bar above the filters to narrow the available jobs by city and state. Finally, remember, if you aren't seeing a lot of results after filling in your filters, try widening your search by decreasing the number of things you filter by. Sometimes a job that could be just right for you might not meet all of your preferences on the surface. Good luck on your search, and reach out to CXT with any questions.